Hey guys, Technically Jeff here, and today I'm going to be reviewing these Kia EV6 all-weather floor mats from BestEVMod, the company that makes the rear seatback covers that I reviewed previously. Now, most of you know I currently have floor mats from Mats USA that I've been very happy with, and I wasn't even intending to try out the ones from BestEVMod, but they were insistent that they have a great solution for floor mats and wanted me to review them. So I'll be looking at them closely and comparing them to the Mats USA floor mats. I'll also be looking at them compared to the factory carpeted floor mats here too, so let's get to it. Now the floor mats from BestEVMod come in a single box and are individually wrapped here. So we'll go ahead and take them out. I'll start with the rear floor mat. It actually looks pretty good. Now for the front mats here. These are nice and light, similar to the ones from Mats USA. That looks pretty good too. Now for the driver's side. While I'm getting this one out, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. As the channel grows, I'm able to do more reviews and giveaways for you guys, so I really appreciate all of you that do subscribe. Alright, these do look nice. They certainly cover much better than the factory carpeted floor mats and have ridges which are nice for spills. Now let's compare them to the floor mats from Mats USA. Please disregard the dirt on those. They do look very similar here. The BestEVMod ones have a larger front ridge, which is nice. They also have these ridges across the mat as opposed to the more flat design of the Mats USA floor mats. The front mats have those ridges as well. The sides of the Mats USA front mats are higher, and they also have a ridge across the back, which could help with spills there. The portion in front of the center console is different too. The BestEVMod floor mats have a piece integrated on each side that come together in front, while the Mats USA ones have a separate piece that covers it. Not really sure which one I prefer there. But yeah, I think these floor mats look good. Turning them over and looking at the backside, the BestEVMod floor mats don't have quite the grippy material that the ones from Mats USA have, so we'll see if that makes a difference in how they feel or if they move around in the car. But yeah, let's get them installed and take a look. Alright, I got them installed and they fit pretty well into the factory mounting points and fit nicely around the seat rails here. And the fitment in front of the center console is pretty good too. Coming to the back, it looks really good here. Nice fit around everything. Goes under the front seat nicely, and again has that large ridge in the front there, and it also has the ridges across the bottom. Looking at the other side here for another vantage point, it looks good and fits well. Looking at the passenger side here, fitment is decent. You can see there's a little bit of a gap on the right side here. There's also a little gap on the left side where you can see the carpet. Will that really impact things? Probably not, but I would prefer to see it cover fully. I would also prefer to have a ridge across the back to keep fluids from going under the seat if there is a spill. But otherwise, fitment is pretty good for these floor mats. And again, the back fits really well. So I'll be testing these out in the coming days, and I'll let you know if I run into any issues, but I don't think I will. I think these are another great option for floor mats for the Kia EV6. While they are similar to the ones from 3D Mats USA, there are some slight differences, so I think it will ultimately come down to whatever your personal preference is. I'll post a link in the description for you guys to get it off Amazon if you want to get these. They're relatively inexpensive, coming in at $150, which is nice. They also offered a promo code for you guys too, so if you use promo code 05TechJeff, it saves you 5% or $7.50, bringing it to $142.49, which is definitely not bad at all for this quality floor mat. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions on these. Also, just FYI, their seat back covers are back in stock as well. I know a lot of you were curious when they were going to be getting more inventory, so I'll link those in the description for you too. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.